Click on the link below to get discount. Welcome to the future of biking. Meet the ultimate electric bike that's changing the game. With powerful brushless motors equipped with peak 3000W dual motor technology, you can expect nothing less than exhilarating performance. Each motor delivers an impressive 1000 watts for a combined power output of 3000 watts. This means you can conquer hills and tackle off-road terrain with ease, reaching top speeds of 34 to 38 miles per hour. The incredible 160 Newton meters of torque enables rapid acceleration, making your rides not just fast, but thrilling. But what's power without endurance? This electric bike is powered by a long-lasting 52V20 lithium-ion battery. With this high-capacity battery, you can enjoy an impressive range of 35 to 105 miles on a single charge. Imagine covering more distance without the hassle of frequent recharging. Plus, the battery is lockable, removable, and easy to carry, making it a breeze to charge at home or work. Now let's talk comfort. The bike features a superior 6-level suspension system, which includes 2 front fork shock absorbers, 2 seat springs, and 2 robust fat tires. This amazing setup enhances traction and stability on a variety of surfaces, providing excellent shock absorption. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, muddy paths, or steep inclines, you'll experience a smooth and confident ride. Speaking of stability, the bike is designed with all-terrain fat tires, measuring 26 by 4 inches. These tires create a larger contact patch with the ground, ensuring superior grip and traction, especially on off-road or slippery surfaces. Whether you're riding on sand, snow, mountains, or gravel, these tires make every ride safer and more comfortable. But safety doesn't stop there. The dual hydraulic brakes give you exceptional stopping power and stability. They're perfect for handling high speeds and heavier loads, ensuring quick stops in various conditions. With smooth and progressive braking control, you can precisely adjust the braking force, leading to more controlled and predictable stops. This means you can ride with confidence knowing you have the ultimate control. Flexibility is key, and this bike offers 5 distinct working modes. In full throttle mode with 1 motor, you can choose from 5 speed levels for daily commuting. Need more power? Switch to full throttle with both motors to tackle those tough, hilly terrains. Want to extend your riding range? Try the pedal assist mode for long-distance travel. And for those moments when you want a good workout, regular biking mode allows you to function as a standard bike with a 7-speed gear system. Plus, there's a walking assist mode for effortlessly pushing the bike when needed. Now, let's explore the upgraded configuration. This electric bike features a sturdy 6061 aluminum frame, a colorful LED display for easy monitoring, and a 7-speed gear kit. Safety is a priority too, with turn signal lights, a big bright headlight, a twist throttle for smooth acceleration, a shock-absorbing saddle for comfort, a solid cargo rack, and reliable front and rear fenders. Best of all, the built-in battery ensures a sleek design without compromising on performance. When it comes to quality and service, we've got you covered. With 90% pre-assembly, you can hit the road faster. Our 24/7 customer support is here to assist you whenever needed. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty on the motor, battery, and charger. Riders rave about this bike, and it proudly holds a sales rank of number 512 in adult electric bicycles and #168, 364 in sports and outdoors, with an amazing rating of 4.8 from 12 reviews. So why wait? Join the revolution in biking and elevate your riding experience. This electric bike is not just about getting from point A to B. It's about the journey, the thrill, and the adventure. Get ready to ride like never before. Click on the link below to get discount.